To add additional users under your account on the Donation Exchange powered by CREF, log into your account, go to the Settings module, and select the Users tab and Add User. Enter the new user's information, including an email address and phone number, and select Save. In the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see a notification that the user has been successfully added. Next, in the Actions column, select Generate New Password and Yes. Again, a notification will appear that the password has been generated. At this time, this user will receive an email with a one-time password that they can use to log in and create their new permanent password. Next step is to assign a role. So you select Assign Role, and in Access Role, select whichever access role you have previously created that you would like to assign this individual, and select Save. Again, you'll get a notification at the bottom that that has been done successfully. If at any time you'd like to change their access, simply go back, select Assign Role, and set it to whichever level you would prefer, and select Save.